Hello, my dear friends. How are you all? Hope you all are doing very well. So, I'm back again with another drawing. So, this is my black paper and white charcoal pencil, and today I'll draw a lion portrait. Okay, a lion side portrait, not front face, side face. So, you can draw with me. So, let's start. So I'm very happy that many people are drawing with me and trying to follow my steps to draw something new in style. So thank you all for all your love. I am very much happy for that. And yeah, sure, you share your works with me. Please ignore the background noise if there is any noise coming. This will be the hair. Yeah, I'm working on black paper. This is a black sketchbook from Brustro brand. You can find the Brustro black sketchbook online from Amazon, or any other black sketchbook will work. I find this is much easy, and this sketchbook is working good for me. This will be the lion's hair. Look at the way I am giving the final touch. Do not press too much the pencil. Just give a simple strokes that will work good. Yeah, this is not easy to draw on a black paper because you have to leave the blank spaces. So this will be the head, and this will be the nose point. So let's draw the nose point. So draw the nose. Okay, I'll take this pencil because it is sharply sharpen. So this will be the nose. This is the If you like my work, please give a like. That will. So this is with a lion face. Now let's draw the eye. I will be there. I'll try to give this will be my eye. So do some setting here. Many of you have a question that the drawings I do, it is from my mind or I use some references. So yeah, I use some references and try to convert the reference in my way, that is in that way. And I have made already many videos where I show how I convert a normal portrait into this type of silhouette portrait. I made many videos. Okay, so try to find out in my page or channel, YouTube channel. You can find many drawing videos where I draw a portrait from a reference and convert it in this black and white type. But yeah, not any portrait can be transformed. Only those portraits where the light is falling from one side and other side is dark. In that case, you can easily convert it into this type of images. Okay. And this is a new type of work, not the usual work anyone do. And try to make yourself something different from others. All are doing drawing in their way and I am doing in my way, and this is my way. I like that way. I like to do in my own way, so you can follow my way. So this should be the portrait I am trying to draw. Okay. Now here you can find the this is the. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comment box. I will try to reply. Please, if you are getting any background noise, please ignore, because there is a problem in my backyard. Is this okay? Now I leave the work smoothly. Don't take any tension of drawing. Drawing is a thing where your mind is free from any fear. Just draw it. Don't get feared of anything. Yeah. So, how is it? It's very easy, isn't it? Yeah, so drawing is nearly complete. I don't know how it is. Highlight to some portions. Yeah, that will be okay. Yeah, so it's done. How it is, please comment if you like it, and please give a try. Thank you. Take care, everybody. Bye bye. Good night.